Think of an airline passenger, right? The ultimate result of an airline passenger is that they get from point A to point B, that they make the trip. Based on that one result that is expected, all these inspections happen to make sure that that passenger arrives at point B, right? All the parts have to be correct. They know that there can't be any issues or any quality issues, because if they fail in midair, customer doesn't get to point B, right? If there's any problems whatsoever, it doesn't get to point B. So having that defined criteria makes a big difference. We monitor results by consistent inspection of the parts coming out, and we then define our tiers based on the result that we need, based on the experience of the supplier, based on our ability to do inspections and the expectations of the customer. We can define which suppliers are going to do which part of the process. Now, before we get into our case studies, what we talked about is what is a supplier certification program, what's it good for, the different frameworks for supplier certification, and then using data to drive our supplier decisions. Okay, now with that, let's go ahead and I'm going to share my screen. Present my screen, share my screen. Okay, let me go here. Let's over here. And we are going to go through our case study. Okay. So, based on this, this is our case study for today. Supplier quality certification program using AI. We're going to use our scale methodology, which is state the problem, collect the data, assess and choose the AI platform, launch the prompt framework, and then enhance and make sure we go through the process. Okay, so state the problem. What's the problem? The problem here is organizations rely on global suppliers to maintain product quality, meet compliance requirements, and minimize production risk. Issue: many suppliers lack consistent quality practices, non-conformance, undocumented process variations, audit failures lead to product defects, increased repair costs, and regulatory violations. All no good.